Hello everyone, I'm Sharon Aka, here to continue our series on IEPs. Today I'd like to visit timelines for evaluations as well as IEP reviews and placements. Let us first discuss when a new IEP may be required. A new IEP is required if your child is initially beginning special education services and has just been determined eligible for an IEP. The Individuals with Disabilities Education Act requires that IEPs be reviewed annually. During an annual review, your child's IEP may be modified according to their unique needs. Also, every 3 years, schools must conduct new assessments to determine a student's progress and discuss any necessary changes to an IEP. If your child is transferring schools, perhaps because of a PCS move, the new school will have 30 calendar days from the time of your transfer to discuss placement options and services and either adopt the incoming IEP or develop a new IEP. Although we just discussed initial, annual, triannual, and transfer IEPs, note that a meeting can be held at any time to discuss your concerns or request amendments. There is no limitation on meeting length under the law, but there may be time and scheduling constraints based on your school's availability. While it is intended to be a collaborative process between you and your child's school, sometimes tensions can elevate during IEP meetings, creating low to severe levels of stress or unproductivity. Be assertive. Adjourn the meeting if necessary. There is no limitation on the number of IEP meetings you can request and no requirement to resolve all matters in one meeting. What matters is ensuring you are able to work with the school to ensure your child receives appropriate services. The evaluation process can take roughly 60 days from the time you give your consent to an eligibility determination. Once eligibility has been determined, your child's school will contact you and set up a time for your IEP meeting. You should receive a written notice to attend the IEP meeting. With your participation, the team will develop an IEP and determine placements. Parents should be provided with notice of the placement and a copy of the new IEP before that IEP is implemented. As I mentioned before, the law requires periodic reviews. While the IEP should capture all of the services and accommodations that are necessary for your child, it is also a fluid document that the IEP team should review and discuss as necessary to meet your child's unique needs throughout the school year. I encourage you to speak with your local legal assistance attorney if you're having trouble with your child's IEP. Attorneys can assist with several special education concerns, including reviewing the IEP and resolving disputes. To find your local legal assistance attorney, you can scan the QR code on your screen or visit us at this website. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found this information helpful, and I look forward to you joining me for future videos in our IEP series.